In this video I will tell you that how to set up end screen in the video at YouTube. First of all, we click on, after opening the YouTube channel, click on YouTube Studio. The YouTube Studio beta is opening. This dashboard has been opened. Now we click on the Creative Studio Classical at the left side. Click on Creative Studio Classical. Click on Skip. The Creative Studio Classical is opening. The Creative Studio has been opened. Now we select any video to add the end screen. I select this video, make calculator in HTML, and click on the edit button. The YouTube editor has been opened. Now we click add the end screen button. Click add the end screen button. First of all, we use template to add the end screen. Click on the template. We select any template here, one subscribe, one video, one subscribe. Please select any one template. I select this template. We select this template for setup end screen. Now this is the suppression button, and there is two place of adding the video at the end screen. By adding the end screen, We first select the video. I select here related video, click on this and click on save. The first video has been set up, and now we select the second video. Click on save. Here you can see the two videos has been set up at the end screen, and click on the save button. All changes saved. Now we play the video. We go to back. Now we run the video. Click on videos. We play and check the end screen of the same video. We go at the end. You can see the end screen has been shown at the end of the video. Please subscribe my video. Thanks to watch my video.